What up YouTube? Welcome back to the garage. If this is your first time here, my name is John. This channel is called Hash Brown Home Gym because we do some home gym workout stuff. Talking about tips about CrossFit, fitness, weight loss, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and hit that little red button before you forget. Now that that's out of the way, today we're going to be playing with this barbell. And we're going to be working on our power clean. Recently I helped my friend Cody with his hang power clean in a YouTube shorts. You might have seen it. If not, I'll put it down in the description so you can check out those cues. Then I've got a Metcon today with some toes to bar in it, and I recently got some new grips that I can't wait to show you. So stick around if you want to get better at fitness. Before we get into the power cleans, can't stress this enough, an empty barbell warm-up is exactly what you need to do when doing things like a power clean workout. The way that I like to do it is I like to hit all three positions, meaning the high hang, which is what you're seeing now, the low hang, which looks like this, and mimicking pulling from the floor, which looks like this. Now, I like to hit three different movements. The first one always being a shrug, keeping my arms straight, trying to get tall. The second one being a high pull, getting my elbows really high and outside. And the third one being that full-on power clean, working on the speed through the middle. Once I've done a full round at each position, doing each movement for a set of 3 to 5, then I move into specific front rack mobility. I just put the barbell on my back and I drive my elbows up forward and as high as I can get them while making sure that I keep my thumb wrapped around the barbell so that I'm not just stretching my wrist. I want to stretch my triceps and my lats. One thing you want to try to avoid here is making sure that when you drive your elbows up, you're not letting that back arch. You're really keeping that spine neutral by pushing your ribs down, squeezing your butt, and then you're going to be ready to do some power cleans. So let's get into that. So here's my plan. I'm going to take the bar. I'm going to load it with 25s to make it 95 pounds. Then I'm going to jump from that to 135 by switching it out for some 45s. Then hopefully going to 185. And then 185 to 205. 205 to 225. Well, I hit 225. It's good for today. It's the heaviest I've gone in a while. Now I got my Metcon 10 rounds of 10 toes to bar, 10 burpees, and 100 meters on the rower. We're gonna really test out some grips. I haven't shown you yet. Oh. So these are my new grips right here. These Pixil ones. I had Pixil ones a while back and they lasted me for a long time. Tons of toes to bar, tons of muscle ups, tons of just work put into them until eventually I ripped them. And the reason that I ripped them is because of the way that I wear them. So when I put on my grips, I just put my hands in them. I don't put my fingers through the holes or anything. And then when I go up to the bar, I just throw my hands over, let that wrist strap kind of pull on my wrist and hold on. And the other way you can wear these grips is if you do put your fingers through the holes, you can push the holes all the way down to the base of your fingers and it creates a little like pocket there for your calluses to sit in. So it resists you tearing or ripping or causing any extra pressure on there because of the little pocket. I'm not a huge fan of this, but you can do it either way and just find out which one's most comfortable for you. One thing I will say if you do buy these ones is that you need to rough them up a little bit. Maybe take some sandpaper to them or a wire brush just to kind of get that chalk to really stick on them. I mean, they're grippy enough, but not the same as once you've broken them in and roughed them up a little bit. All right, let's get into this workout. Oh my gosh, really, birds? Man, it feels so good to be throwing down back in the garage. If you do this workout, cut those reps. 100 toes to bar, 100 burpees, way too much to do. I actually cut it down to 6 rounds because it's only Monday and I don't want to ruin myself for the rest of the week. If you have any questions about anything, please leave a comment down there. And if your question is about mobility, first check out this video. It's about GoWOD and I tell you exactly who needs to use this app. It's fantastic. I've been using it for the past 30 days. That video is coming soon. Later.